Sorry guys. I can't use my stand, I guess. Okay. Please mind my hair. That's why I can do a video with you guys. This is my morning routine. I got this stuff from Sally's, basically, where I get all my hair products. Here, I'll show you. All of my hair products. Some of them, Sally's, Walmart, Big Lot, Save a lot of places. Spray that stuff in. This has conditioner, water, and perfume. So it's like that. Like so. You want to tie up your hair, make sure it's nice and smooth. Like that. So, this is my facial stuff on my face. We will be using this. I got this from Sally's. Sometimes I like to stick my whole hand in there sometimes. I just like to mix it up sometimes. And I stick my fingers in there and that's like, this is like how much I need. Okay, so I'm just going to take my hands. 1 second, you guys have to get a paper towel over there. Okay, so I'm back and I'm putting back my gel. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys this cool, freaking awesome stuff. This stuff is so cool. I want to shake it. It's like whipped cream, but in a bottle. Here, I'll bring the camera closer. And listen. Sorry guys, but I don't know why my camera is like that. But I have to go. Bye. Thanks for watching.